What's the meaning of cartographer? Cartographer. Cartographer.
Cartographer. Cartographer. A cartographer is a person who creates maps. They use data from various sources, such as surveys and satellite imagery, to accurately represent geographical features. Cartographers must have a strong understanding of geography, topography, and surveying techniques. They may also use computer software to help them create and edit maps. The maps they create can be used for a variety of purposes, including navigation, urban planning, and scientific research. Overall, cartographers play an important role in helping people understand the world around them through the creation of accurate and informative maps.